Sparky Sparks here. This is Rachel, a new addition. My goodness, salted caramel. She's beautiful. Now, I don't know if you've worn Jon Renau wigs before, but they are stunning. My very first wig was a Jon Renau, and it's Ignite, so that was a short number. I'm really a fan of long hair for the fall and for winter. It does keep you a little bit warm around the shoulders. And there's a lot of free parting space in this cap. So I can part her pretty much wherever I like. And that's a real big bonus. And you can see the beautiful waves. Now the nice thing about synthetic hair, because this is synthetic, so you can see these beautiful waves. These waves will stay in the hair. So instead of getting frizzy and curly if I were to be in humidity or rain, this will stay exactly like this. So that's super helpful and a great addition to wearing synthetic hair. The other thing I like to do is put it in a ponytail. And you can see, as I put this up, I'm gonna turn around and you can see the back. Again, this is Rachel in Salted Caramel by Jon Renau. Beautiful back, beautiful up in a clip, or just down. Just gorgeous. Rachel, what do you think? How do you like her? You see me in a lot of blonde wigs. Lately I've been in red. I really like the highlights. I'm indoors right now in my kitchen with the sun kind of setting out there. So kind of different lighting. I think it kind of pulls yellow with this lighting. But I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment and ask. I'm happy to answer questions. On this channel, we're going to talk about a lot of different things and a lot of different hairstyles. I love Jon Renau. I love the softness of the hair. I love the comfort of the cap. They're very adjustable. I was doing hair flips earlier, so this just, it stays on, it's comfortable, it looks good. I'm thinking a little up in a clip, half up, half down for a night out. But my goodness, just so comfortable, so easy. Can part her on either side. Let's see, let's try that. Let's go this way. Or if you're a middle part girl, I tend to part on this side. I guess that's my right side. Or, I'm sorry, left side. Left and right challenged. I like the swoopy bangs. Gorgeous. Love her. Have a great day. Let me know what your thoughts.